Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on MacBook Pro. So let's get started right away. The first thing to do is to click on the Apple icon located at the top left of your MacBook Pro. Once you're inside the menu, click on System Preferences. Under System Preferences, click on the Users and Groups option, which will then take you to this interface. Click the lock icon to make any changes and enter your password if prompted. Once you are done, select your username in the list on the left-hand side you would like to change the password on. Click on the Reset Password link right next to your username to initiate the password change. Enter the new password you would like to set for your account and verify your password by entering it on the next field. Now, you can also go ahead and set a password hint for yourself just in case you might forget the password, and then click on the Change Password option. Soon after that, aim for a strong password that's at least 8 characters long, includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And then after you are done, you will be able to change to a new password. So that's how it's easily done. After doing that, you can now click on the lock button at the bottom left to prevent any further changes for your account, and you will be done. So that is it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.